Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, before you can invest, okay, you need to deposit money so that you have funds in your account or in your balance. Okay, how you deposit, it's easy. You click wallet at the bottom and then you will see your page, of course, your dashboard, and then you go to your currency. Depends on what you are using. Okay, I'm using South African rand, which is ZAR, and then I will press there, and then it will show me deposit and withdraw, and then I click deposit, and then I will see I've got two options. It's either I use instant transfer or bank transfer. Now, instant transfer, it is when you have linked your Luno with your bank account, which I don't prefer doing. Okay, so and then you can also use bank transfer. You click that because I'm using that, and then you will see this page over here. All right, and then of course you'll put an amount, and then I'm going to click next here. All right, now the next button is going to take you to a page where you are going to see the details. All right, banking details that you are going to transfer. Very important, guys. Make sure that when you make the deposit, you put your reference. All right, that is very important. Okay, let me go back and show you my transfer, which I'm still waiting, by the way. Here you see here, guys, there is this notification you are going to get, all right, after perhaps you have created the payment. Okay, you see they are saying waiting for your deposit. Banks take at least 2 business days to process deposits, longer over weekends. Now, if you have deposited on weekend, or perhaps from Friday, if you have deposited on Friday, of course, you might get or it might reflect on Tuesday. All right, if you are lucky enough on Monday, maybe later, but the latest I believe is Tuesday. All right, now if I click see more or deposit the details, let me click that. I'm going to hide here, but these are just details that I have used to deposit the money. I've got my reference there, I've got my the everything. All right, and then perhaps if I open see more, okay, now as you can see here, they're saying waiting for your deposit. Banks take, okay, we have read that. We will email you when we receive your deposit. So when the deposit is actually it gets to them, all right, they will email you. Only contact us if you haven't used your unique reference number. All right, the only time you contact them, it is if perhaps you've made a mistake, which, guys, please make sure that you don't do that. It's gonna be easy because you can contact them and tell them I've used the wrong one, and then you put the right one in that email. Okay, but you can email them only or contact them only if your reference is wrong. We are now waiting for a deposit to reflect in our bank account, so we are all, guys, waiting for all of that. Okay, so when the balance gets to my, or when the amount, or when the money reflects in my account, okay, in my wallet, I am going to make an investment. If you are new and you want to see this, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that when I post the video, right, at least you already here. Right now, the reason why I'm saying that is because after investing, because I'm going to invest here in this same video, there's going to be the next part which you don't want to miss. After this one, after the deposit part, there's gonna be another one where I am investing, and then after that I'm going to make videos, right, showing you my progress in my investment. Remember, we are going to invest in a bundle. We are going to invest in that, and then when the time goes on, we will see our progress, how it's growing, and everything like that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so stay tuned. The next part is coming next. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. This is the second part. What I'm going to do right now, as you can see, my 300 rands is there already, so I'm just going to do the investment. Okay, now at the bottom there you've got view investment option, invest in a bundle. Okay, I'm gonna choose invest in a bundle, and then I'll just open that. A simple way, all of that. I think I read this when I was making a video about this opportunity here. So what I can do is just to look at the place. Okay, let's invest at the bottom. You see, when you get here, it will say let's invest. So let's do that. All right, as you can see, a buy fee of 1% will be deducted from your investment amount. So I don't know, you can calculate all of that. What is the 1%? But let's just do the whole 300 rands. Okay, now you must remember, guys, that I'm doing this so that we can see, well, I'm investing, of course, but at least we will get a sense on what is going to happen. That is, if you want to invest in Luno in a way that it's going to be it's going to make you make money. All right, now we have chosen 300 rands, and then I'm just going to click next. All right, so they say investing 300 rands in your bundle, you spend 300 rands, buy fee it's 3 rands, so you can see the buy fee there. So I will receive 297 worth of a bundle. Okay, so all I do is just to click the box there, and then of course I'm going to confirm. Okay, now you will need to put your pin over here, so I'm gonna do that. Let me just pause. Okay, so I have done it, ladies and gentlemen. You have invested 297 in your bundle. Your investment will be added to your bundle portfolio. View my bundle, go to wallet. So let's go to view my bundle. We're just going to see how it's going to look. Okay, this is the my bundle now. So as you can see, 296 Luno large cap, top up, sell, and all of that. Okay, so as you can see at the bottom there, we've got they have allocated accordingly. All right, the percentage, of course, as you can see, I've got 200 in Bitcoin, Ethereum there, I've got 85, and all of that. So you can see until the total there. Okay, so I think that is it. Okay, let's read here. Number of coins 5, rebalancing frequently, quarterly, last rebalance for April. Okay, so I think that actually passed. The next one we're going to check on the 5th of July. Okay, I don't think I will check then, but I will check on what the balance says at the top there. All right, that is if, guys, they do, that is if maybe they refresh or anything like that. I don't know. This 5th July, it means this balance will stay like this until perhaps 5th July, and then they will refresh and also will see the new balance. I don't know, but I will tell you guys if anything happens. If they refresh on the 5th of July, that means, guys, you're gonna have to wait until then. Okay, all right, that's how, guys, you invest with Luno. Of course, in the balance, of course, I don't have anything because it was taken because I invested. Okay, I think, okay, yeah, you can see there where it says local currency at the top there, it's my balance. Okay, of course, you know, it's my balance. So I guess over at the top there, it will grow or go down or anything like that. I will show you guys where I am. I will make some very short videos, and then you will see all of those, guys. That is if it's happening. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, also, guys, at the bottom you see there total crypto, Bitcoin, bundles. You can see there Luno large cap. You can see there. So my portfolio has grown. So I had, I think, 2. Now I've got also these ones. A payment to my Luno. You remember when I made the deposit in the previous video? It took, I think, because I did it in on the weekend. The weekend they won't process it, guys. They will process it from Monday. So I got it on, I think, on Monday, or I think on Monday or Tuesday, between the two. Okay, and yeah, I think it was Tuesday. Yeah, so that's what it is, guys. But if you have deposited, maybe you have deposited on Monday, it will be in very soon because it's during working hours. Okay, but on weekends, of course, you're gonna have to wait. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, subscribe, like, and if you want to create an account for Luno, I have put the link in the description. Create one, have one, and start investing. That is if you are interested. Remember, investing contains or it entails risks. Okay, Whatever you do, you're not going to be responsible for any losses if you lose anything. Okay, whatever you do it on your own. I'm just making this video for informative or educational purposes. The video, it's not sponsored by Luno or by anyone or by any website. This is just for educational purposes. Thank you for watching and have a good and a fantastic day. Shwee, shwee, shwee.